Hello YouTuber, I'm going to show you today how to connect 5-pin LED rocker switch, which is like this one. Have a bottom light when the power on, and when the switch on, the upper light will be lighting. So how to connect these wires? This is the diagram of the wires. This is the way on, off. Okay, now let me adjust the wire as the drawing below. Okay, so this is 5 terminal or 5 pin. You make sure about the jumper, 2 wire, black and red, to do the same as I show you in this video. Okay, so this is my light. This goes, the black one, direct to the negative terminal, and from the switch also, from this jumper also goes to negative terminal. This allowed the LED lights will show when you operate this switch. Okay, so the other end of the light or my device will be installed in this terminal. Okay, and this goes, the other red wire go to the battery through fuse to the battery, or to the position, positive terminal to the battery. This will operate perfect when you just follow my instructions here. Thank you for watching. Bye.